Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been on Wix for a while, but suddenly your form not submitting. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issues. Why is it happening to you out of nowhere? So let's get started. So first, after just opening your device, making sure everything is looking good, we're gonna go all the way to Wix.com, the website builder. Then we're gonna go basically tap on Wix.com, take you to this new window. You should log in using your email address and password, select your website, then check if there is any missing required fields. You should also do a small test for the form yourself. You can also reconnect the form by clicking on the form settings and reconnect, since this refreshes the broken links. But you're gonna tell me how would I do so, how would I check that, and all of this. You can access this from the design site or the editor site. So basically, if you have anything here, just make sure all of your links are looking good. Make sure all of your elements are working and all of this before even saving or publishing. As for now, we're gonna go back to the dashboard, since we're gonna go and look for our customer management so we can access basically all of these forms and submissions and all of this. Let's go all the way to forms and submissions, check if everything is looking good. So for you, you'll be having forms here, make sure everything is fine. After this, disable any confliction apps, any outdated apps. If you are using multiple apps, try to reduce the number of them. Then you can see if everything is working properly. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.